How to log in Roblox on the Roblox mobile app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can log into Roblox on the Roblox mobile app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To log into Roblox using the Roblox mobile application, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all just make sure to launch the Roblox app, and then you're going to see this tab of interface. Now if you have not yet created an account, you can just tap the sign up button over here in order to create a brand new Roblox account. Or if you've already created an account and you want to log in, then you just want to come back, go to the login page. Make sure to simply enter your login details here, as you can see, such as your username and your password. In case you forgot your password, you can tap on forgot password button here, or if you've not, then you can just tap the login option, as you can see. Then once you tap the login option, you can see that you'll be successfully logged into your Roblox mobile application. So this is the way on how you can log into Roblox on the mobile app. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.